Good morning class, welcome to St.PETERS school. This is your science class and in the last class we were discussing about the question and answer of chapter 1, that is plants, the food makers, and we have already covered up to the question number 5, and in question number 5 we have covered already the question up to question number 3. Now today we are going to start with the question and answer with the answer question number 4. So what is question number 4? So take out to page number 156. All the students are required to open the books and keep in front of you so that you can better understand what we are actually discussing and what are the questions and what should be the answers. Okay, so read out the question number 4, that is what is the stomata and what is the function of stomata. If any lines are not clear to you, don't worry about this. Every answer is written in your book. You can copy it from there also, or you can try to write it by your own also. There is no problem, but the answer should be correct in both the meaningful and grammatical. Okay, so let's start with the first answer. What is stomata? What is the function of stomata? So stomata are tiny pores present in lower side of the leaf or lower surface of the leaf. What is the work of stomata? Stomata helps leaf to take in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen and water during photosynthesis process. Take out page number 148. You will see in the last stanza it's written here what is the stomata. The same line I have also written here and just added few to, 1 to 2 more words only. Stomata are the tiny pores present in the lower side of the leaf. What is the work of stomata? Stomata helps leaf to take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen and water in during photosynthesis process. So I have only added here in the last line, that is during photosynthesis process. And what is stomata? Stomata are tiny pores present in lower surface of the leaf. So I have only added here that it is present prominently in the lower surface of the leaf. That's all. Other than this, you can get your answer on the page number 148. Okay, so either you write it from there or either you just write copy down the whatever written on the board. Now come to the question number 5. What is question number 5? So what is transpiration? What is transpiration? Take out page number 150, 150. Okay, so third paragraph you will see the last line. In the third paragraph you will see last line. The process by which the plant send out excess water through stomata is called transpiration. The process by which the plant sends out excess water through stomata is called transpiration. So it's the same line I have also written on the board. The process by which plants send out excess water through stomata and it comes out through edge of the leaf. Okay, so I have added here okay, so I have added here one more thing here. So let me explain you first of all. As we all know that where the stomata is present, stomata is prominently present in the lower side of the leaf. Lower side of the leaf, it is present in the lower side of the leaf. Stomata is present prominently in the lower side of the leaf. It is like a tiny pores. Okay, it is always like a tiny pores in the lower side of the leaf. Now what happens when excessive water comes out from this lower side of the leaf? This water falls on the edge of the leaf, and through the edge the water droplets comes out and fell on the ground. So for this reason I have added one more line to this. It comes out through edge of the leaf is called transpiration. Usually you will see in the winter season. In winter season what happens, due to fall of dew, we all know that there is a dew falls like in winter season in the morning time. So what happens, plants doesn't absorb all the dew droplets. So what they do, whatever they absorb is okay, but whatever they are not like able to absorb, what happens, excessive water comes out from the those pores, and this pore, from these pores water falls on the edge of the leaf. And always you will see when that there are water droplets just at the edge of the leaf. You can prominently see on the banana leaf. In banana leaf you might have seen most of the times the water droplets at the edge of the leaf. Okay, so that process is only known as the transpiration. Now come to the question number 6, that is how energy, okay, so how does energy flow from the sun to the animals, and what is this called? Okay, so both the answer you will get on the page number 152. Last paragraph, last four line, you can see it's written clearly how actually the energy flows. I have nothing added in it. I just copied it from your notebook only. Energy flows from the sun to the plants, from plants to the herbivores, and from herbivores to the carnivores. That's all. What, how energy flows? Energy flows from the sun to the plants, from plants to the herbivores, and from herbivores to carnivores. And this is called food chain. And this is the answer of, and this is the answer of your second question. This is called food chain. And everything is written in your book, so you can copy it from there on the page number 152, last paragraph. Energy flows from the sun to the plants, from the plants to the herbivores, and from herbivores to the carnivores. This is called food chain. Now what you have to do, you have to also add image to it, whatever image is given in your book only. Okay, so sun's energy falls in on the plant. Okay, sun energy is absorbed by the plant here. Okay, sun energy falls from the plant. These giraffe or these sorry, these herbivorous animals used to eat this plant, and this carnivorous animal used to eat those small animal, and in this way food chain completed. So so you have to give this image also in adding with your answer. When if this question will come like for the 3 marks or the 4 marks, you have to add this image with your answer. Okay, and if the question carries only 1 to 2 marks, you just have to write what is food chain. No need to give like image like this. But if the question is carrying, most of the time this question will come under the 4 marks only. So what you have to do, you have to write down all the process of food chain, and with that you have to draw this picture also and label it properly, actually how energy flows. Okay, so energy flows from the sun to the plants, energy flows from sun to the plants, from plants to the herbivores, from herbivores to carnivores, and this is called the food chain. Okay. Now come to the last question of question number 5. Question number 7. How can you say that animals and plants depend upon each other? Again the answer is written in your book only, so no need to worry if you are not able to read the clearly written on the board. You can take out page number 153, the last paragraph, a fine balance. You can see here a fine balance. Leave the first 4 line, you will see that if the number of the plants, let me show you first of all where is the answer exactly. Okay, page number 153, take out page number 153. From here, if the number of the plants decreases, the oxygen levels in the air also decreases. If there are too many plants, the animals may not be able to supply enough carbon dioxide for the plants. Okay, so in the same way I have also written the answer here. Yes, first of all from your question only, and the question was how can you say that animals and plants depend on each other. So I will first of all I will say yes, the animals and the plants are depend on each other, as if the number of the plants decreases, the oxygen level in the air also decreases. If there are too many plants, the animals may not be able to supply enough carbon dioxide for the plants. Hence, hence they are interdependent on each other. So we should protect both animals and plants to balance the nature. Okay. So from here I have written it from your book till here. I have only added this much only. Hence they are interdependent on each other. So we should protect both animals and plants to balance the nature. Okay. This line also I have added yes, the animals and plants are depend on each other, as if the number of the plants decreases, the oxygen levels into the air also decreases. If there are too many plants, the animals will not be able to supply enough carbon dioxide for the plants. Hence they are interdependent on each other. So we should protect both animals and plants to balance the nature. And this question will mostly comes under the 4 to 5 marks. So if the question comes under the 4 to 5 marks, what you have to do, again you can just to make like gives more point to your answer, or more effective, to if you want to make your answer more effective, better to make a picture. Again, this picture you have is been given in your book. Again, you can draw one people and two to three animals here, and you can show that how they are interdependent. Plants gives oxygen, and like animals gives carbon dioxide. So how they are interdependent on each other. So just to make your answer more effective, draw every time, try to draw the related image to your answer. Okay. So from for today we are going to end our class here only. In the next class we will discuss with the question number 6. And I would request again all the students, please try from your side also to solve all these questions. Okay. So we will meet in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.